Hello all, welcome to Monitoring, Evaluation, Accountability and Learning Framework mini course training. Today I'm very much excited because we are going to start module 1, which is talking about basics and concepts of monitoring, evaluation, accountability and learning. This module 1 session mainly focuses on giving definitions, meanings, and concepts for training participants on these four terminologies. And the session has specific learning objectives. First, it is a session which is expected the learning participants to understand what monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning is all about. And secondly, it is again a session that gives training participants to understand or to differentiate monitoring from evaluation, evaluation from learning, learning from accountability. This is the training learning objectives expected from this session at the end of the session for training participants. So let's talk about each terminologies. When we say monitoring, as you all know, monitoring is the ongoing process of data collection and analyzing specifically on project activities and outputs. It mainly focuses on measuring the progress of project implementation, the process of project implementation, and again, it is the project implementation tool to measure whether the project implementation has a deviation, and finally it results in correction of deviation on project implementation and management. The other terminology is evaluation. Evaluation is mainly focusing on assessment of project impact and project outcomes, mainly giving due attention to measure the effectiveness, efficiency, and sustainability of project implementation and management. So that evaluation is all about measuring results. It's all about measuring outcomes. And accountability is again the organization's responsibility to be transparent, accountable, and to be a participatory approach, advocates, especially for their stakeholders during project designing, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation. So that it is about and accountable to any actions that organization is taking or organization is implementing with its final end users, specifically with beneficiaries or communities, with partners and donors. Learning is again the ongoing process, especially focusing on gathering reflections and feedbacks, again from project stakeholders, mainly to adapt the project implementation approach. Its aim is to understand the improvement for projects, designing, implementation, and reporting system. So this is all about today's session, which focuses specifically on concepts of monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning. Next, we will talk on the importance of monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning framework for English programs. Thank you for today's session.